Life's a whirlwind, right? We're bombarded with information, deadlines, and the pressure to do more, be more. But what if there was a better way? What if we could optimize our bodies and minds to perform at peak levels, naturally? That's where biohacking comes in. Think of it as personalized performance enhancement no matter your starting point. Ready to unlock your full potential? Let's hack the human. Biohacking might seem like a new buzzword, but humans have been tinkering with their biology for centuries. Remember that first cup of coffee you had? You, my friend, were engaging in a rudimentary form of biohacking. The modern movement, with its focus on data-driven self-experimentation and cutting-edge technology, has taken things to a whole new level. One of the pioneers of this movement is Dave Asprey, known for popularizing the bulletproof lifestyle. Countless individuals are now using themselves as guinea pigs, tracking their sleep, nutrition, and exercise to find the perfect formula for peak performance. As with any new frontier, it's important to tread carefully, do your research, and listen to your body. We all know that food is fuel, but what if we could eat in a way that not only provides energy, but also optimizes our brain function, boosts our metabolism, and even influences our gene expression? That's the promise of biohacking your diet. One popular approach is the ketogenic diet, a high-fat, low-carbohydrate way of eating that forces your body to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose. Another popular method is intermittent fasting, which involves cycling between periods of eating and extended fasting. Intermittent fasting has been linked to a variety of health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved insulin sensitivity, and even cellular repair. Nootropics, also known as smart drugs, are substances that claim to enhance cognitive function, memory, and focus. It's all about experimenting, finding what makes you feel your best, and listening to your body's signals. Section 4. Sleep hacking. Recharge and conquer. We all know the importance of a good night's sleep, but in our always-on culture, sleep is often the first thing to be sacrificed. The good news is that there are ways to hack your sleep, improving both the quality and quantity of your shut-eye. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve your sleep is by optimizing your sleep environment. This means creating a cool, dark, and quiet sanctuary. Wearable trackers can monitor your sleep stages, heart rate variability, and even track your movements throughout the night. Remember, a well-rested you is a more productive, focused, and happier you. Section 5. Pushing the limits, from heat to ice baths. Biohacking isn't just about optimizing your mind and sleep. It's also about pushing your physical limits and exploring the full potential of your body. From high-intensity interval training or HIIT to cold exposure, these methods are not for the faint of heart, but they can deliver incredible results. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. Cold exposure can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, boost your mood, and even increase your resilience to stress. Remember, always listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen. Section 6. The Biohacking Dilemma: Ethics, Risks, and the Wild West. Biohacking, with its promise of self-improvement and optimization, is undoubtedly alluring. But as with any frontier, there are ethical considerations and potential risks that we can't ignore. The unregulated nature of biohacking, particularly in the realms of supplements and DIY biology, raises concerns about safety, efficacy, and even the potential for unintended consequences. Without proper research and regulation, it's difficult to determine the long-term effects and potential risks of these practices. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it's crucial to approach biohacking with a healthy dose of skepticism, critical thinking, and a commitment to ethical considerations. Section 7. The Future of Biohacking, from Fringe to Mainstream. What started as a fringe movement is rapidly gaining mainstream acceptance. As technology advances and our understanding of human biology deepens, biohacking is poised to become even more sophisticated and accessible. Imagine a future where wearable sensors track our biomarkers in real time, providing personalized feedback on everything from our nutrient levels to our stress hormones. The future of biohacking is full of possibilities, both exciting and potentially unsettling. One thing is certain: biohacking is here to stay.